How to check and view the credit score on your Scotiabank. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Your credit score is far more important than you think. A credit score is a number between 300 and 900 that the banks and lenders look at to determine whether to approve you for a car loan, mortgage, credit cards, and other credit applications. So it's important for you to understand how to access your score to help remain in control of your overall financial health. So to get started with, log into your Scotiabank and then tap on My Updates section. After you tap on it, tap on the Transfer Union Credit Score and go to Credit Score History. After that, you can tap on another option which is Credit Score Report. From there, you can choose Scotia Mortgage or any other mortgage that you want to check this credit score for. Once that is done, you can see all the details related to your credit score history and credit score report as well. So that's all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.